is Minimymo, and here to say I'm going to be doing my makeup tutorial today. So today's makeup tutorial is going to be a little different because, as you can tell, I already have some zits here and some up here, but I'm going to make a bigger zit so I can prank my father, because today is April Fool's Day. So actually, this is not going to come out on April Fool's Day. I don't even know if it's going to come out the week after April Fool's Day, but either way, I'm excited. I'm going to try to get a video of him noticing it, or I might just send it to him via text message, but either way, I'm going to try to get a reaction. If I don't, you'll see at the end of the video if I did or not. But yeah, so I have my special effects makeup kit, and I have my brand new Flawless Base Foundation. It's a magnet thing, isn't that cool? Wait, does it say something here? It says, sorry, I don't speak low maintenance. What? Anyway, so, let's get started. That's all I'm gonna do, because I got the little red dot, I got some yellow around it, and I used my foundation around it as well. Don't do this, really wiggle. I keep doing it, but yeah, I want it to look natural, like I didn't put on makeup for anything. I want that to think I'm just at home, but yeah, what do you guys think? Do you think it looks realistic enough? I've had pimples a lot. Oh, you can see my beard hairs right here. Like, I've had pimples a lot, so I should know what it looks like, but I don't know. I want a little bit more red. I need another red. Like, this is the only red I have. So I can find another red. I want, like, a pinkish red, just to put around it, you know? These are sparkly. I don't want